Alright, these are going to be the elevators at the Harbour Steps Apartments.
Southeast Tower.
Downtown Seattle. We got some Otis sticky buttons here. Luxury called stations, but not luxury chimes. And yes, we got one of the glass ones. Sweet. 25.
Yep.
And it's a Series 4 too, an early one at that.
Oh, very early.
What year is this from?
I think mid to late 90s. I think I want to say 98 or something.
Okay. I think I remember your video of these.
I never uploaded it. Go to F.
Or maybe it was some other building with similar elevators.
It probably. Oh, it was the Northwest building, I think, or Southwest building. And it was one of the other buildings here. But yeah, I did upload one of the buildings here.
Very nice elevators. Oh dang! I did hit the lobby. Crap.
No, you didn't.
Oh. Which one's lobby?
One.
Oh.
It's a weird ass layout.
Well, perfect. Really dodged a bullet. Yeah, these are laid out like a lot of Fujitechs are.
Alright, I'll stand over here so you can.
D.
Going up?
What floor?
4, please, sir.
Alright, you have a good night.
Laundry must be down on D or something.
Here we go.
Oh, sorry, let me get that.
And here we are on 25. Oh, you going down?
Going down.
What floor?
One. F.
There we go. Very fast.
You want to switch on F?
This is A.
You want to switch on A, actually?
Yeah.
Because this is a... Just hit both buttons.
I like these.
Yeah, hopefully we get this one. This one came back from...
Oh well. Not complaining.
I just don't want to end up stopping the lobby again.
Me neither. These things are fast.
Oh yeah.
I love the views. And we'll get off at...
F, I guess.
Yep. This time I'll solely watch the numbers. Or 22. Heading down. What floor?
What?